basically what we have to do all the way around. Put my tailgate at that end. Cool.
Yeah, that sounds good. Really?
Yeah, I just gotta beat the dents out of it.
Yep.
This is dynamite. The floor's good in this, which is nice and easy to weld them together.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And like this part's all good. These ones are different, which is going to be a challenge.
Yeah.
So if you see this and this, but to match mine, what I'm doing is I'm keeping all of this, and I'm going to tie it in right here. I'm going to bring it in just
Bring it all the way across and over to that.
Keeping all of this,
Yeah.
and I'm going to have this profile so it matches my CJ.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, because this is the YJ style, right?
Right.
This is an old.
This will be really functional.
Yeah, I like that in mine. And yeah, so basically it's victim 3 and 4. It'll be a little different cutting this one, like I say, because I'm going to keep all of this. Which, in a way, it won't be
Yeah, you just have to go like you're probably
so when you look at the thick,
around there.
the dimensions of the tub, when you look at the dimensions of the tub, center line back, so let's say the center line is here roughly, the line is like, well these are 14, these are center. 14 is whatever it is. So then that would be a 7 and something, just so where's it here? So we're 21.5 inches to the line, right? So that means if I have from the line forward, I can get 31 functional inches, right? And that takes me from this line, 31 plus 3, what did I say, 21.5 to 31, so an extra 10 inches. So 10 inches past the center takes me at 31 this way. So 31 this way comes up like to here, literally, right? So from the center line back, it's 10 more inches, so 21.5. So 10 inches, so I'm going to be like right here. So I may have a small wedge to put in, which is big ball.
Yeah.
So honestly, that's what we do. It's solid. So in the end, it's going to be nice and square, cool, and the floor ribs are the same. And the floor's nice and solid, so I got lots to work with. It'd be nice to cut all that crap off, rid of all that. And then, like I said, because I'm keeping as much of this as possible, then I realized how bad that tub was, I would have kept more of this stuff. So I'll keep this, and I'll come right up off the, and I might even reach forward, I don't know how far I'll go, and I'll just bring the connection point right back
Yeah,
here.
because you can just clear this out right here.
Yeah, clear it all
Here,
out.
right?
Yeah, so essentially I'll use this entire panel,
This piece. Yeah.
and then I'll just bring in the inside,
That's fine.
and get rid of all of this, and then I'll just make a piece right here, on one patch to cut in on each side.
Yeah.
Then on the back, because it's so tender, I want to get rid of the gas flap anyway.
Yeah.
That side, I'm going to keep the gas flap, because I might, or might not, put a fuel tank on my trailer.
Right.
Anyways, welcome to the second trailer build. So this is a couple more tubs that we set aside. This one's going to be built a little bit shorter than the last one. We have a YJ tub here that has the swing out tailgate, the familiar YJ hinges, which are different than the LJ hinges. I think they're better. They don't rot away quite the same as the alloy ones. Anyways, this tub's in pretty bad shape. We're going to use it for profile. It's going to be the front of the trailer. It has the square YJ style fenders in it, YJ CJ. They're a lot easier to work with. This is an LJ tub. That's what we got our hands on. It was nearly rust free. This thing is in perfect condition for a donor. Unfortunately, the rest of the tub got wrecked, and this is what we were able to salvage. It's rock solid. It's going to be a great back end for the trailer. This is going to be built to look like the CJ, which is right over there. I'm going to be pulling it with that, and it's going to have a drop-down tailgate, same as my CJ. And it's going to be a little bit shorter than the last trailer that we built, and we're just going to see how it goes. So stay tuned, follow along.